Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Brooks from HitLights. So today I'll be teaching you on how to pair your smart Wi-Fi kit with your home network. So straight out of the box, this is what you'll be getting. A spool of strip, the receiver, the remote, and your power adapter. So my power adapter is already plugged in, so this is just for show. And the way to set this up would be to get your receiver. So you'll notice the receiver would have 3 wires coming out of it. One would be for the input or the output for the strip lights, and then this would be the power input. It will be a DC jack female. And then the third one would be your IR blaster to communicate with your remote. So to set this up, we just need to connect the power, the DC jack female to the DC jack male of the power adapter. And then your receiver would have a 4-pin connection for the output for the lights. If you notice, there is an arrow pointing outwards or towards the strip. That indicates your power line for that 4-pin connection. So we just need to make sure that we line up that arrow, that power line, with the power line on the strips. The strips would have 4 pins or 4 channels as well. So the top one being power. Let me get my camera to focus here. So the strip would also have a 4-pin connection, typically a female, and then this 4-pin adapter male to male would come in the box as well. So we just connect that, then connect our receiver, making sure that arrow is lined up with the power line. And it would automatically start blinking. This would indicate that the strip is already in pairing mode. So that's a fast blinking action. So next thing we'll be needing to do would be to open your phone app and download the app that we'll be needing to connect the strips to. The app would be the Smart Life app. Select that and install it. So mine is already installed in the phone. Open that and we're ready to add the device to the app and connect it to your network. My app is already pre-installed and it has already pre-installed devices on the network. So to add the strip lights to your network or to the app, you press on the plus icon on the top right corner of the app. Then you choose add device. We choose lighting. And then we choose strip lights, Wi-Fi, because we're connecting to Wi-Fi. So since my app is already installed, my network is already registered on the app. You just have to choose your network and then go back to the app and enter your password. After you've done that, just tap on next and then make sure that it is plugged into power and the lights are blinking. Then you tap next. Once that goes, it will show you a pop-up screen showing if the lights are blinking slowly or quickly. Choose blinking quickly. So since I mentioned earlier the fast blinking mode, this is actually a mode that's also called easy mode. This is a mode that pairs up with a Wi-Fi network easily if you only have one Wi-Fi network. But if you're like me and you have multiple networks in your system or multiple Wi-Fi networks in your system, the kit might have a hard time pairing itself to the network because it's trying to choose from one network to another. But don't worry, there is also another mode that we can use here if this doesn't connect. That's called the AP mode. If you notice earlier on the pop-up menu, the slow blinking mode, I'll teach you how the kit would go to that mode after this, because I'm pretty sure the network will not connect using the easy mode. Okay, let me wait for a few more seconds. It's gonna try to pair up for 2 minutes, and after that it would go back to your previous menu on the app. And there we go. It didn't pair. So what we do now is we take our remote, and as I mentioned earlier, you can reset it. But if we press and hold the on button right now that it's in fast blinking mode, it would go to the slow blinking mode instead. So if I press and hold the on here, and you'll see it's already slowly blinking. So let's go back to the app. We're still on the add device page, but if I go back here, add device, and then again we go to lighting, and then street lights, then Wi-Fi, choose your network, tap on next, and tap on blinking slowly. So if you'll notice, once we choose blinking slowly, it would go to a different pop-up menu. It's asking me to join the hotspot that is being broadcasted by the receiver. So what that does is actually it's making its own network and then doing a handshake with the network at your home. So we need to choose that network and then go back to the app, and it would automatically go to the syncing mode. So it's adding the device. If you notice the lights stop blinking, this means it's already found the device or found the app trying to connect to. With this, we just need to wait. Shouldn't take too long. And there we go. Once it's paired, you can change the name of the smart Wi-Fi kit. I'm going to set it as it is. And then it would automatically go to the control panel of the lights. So here you can choose the colors. It's going to set the green, blue, yellow. You can also control the brightness and then the intensity of that color. And then there's a couple of modes here. So smooth, flash, and music. So at music mode, this is gonna listen to the music that's playing, but right now, since there's no music playing in my background and just my voice, it's reacting to the sound of my voice. The receiver would have a mic built in here with a tiny hole. That's why it's able to respond with the sound that it's hearing and change the colors of the lights. All right. I hope this helps you out in pairing your smart Wi-Fi kit to your network. So stay safe and have a nice day. All right. Bye.